I made one really dumb mistake this Q4, and I'm going to tell you what it is so you do not make the exact same mistake. All right? Before we actually do, on December 8th, all right, this Sunday, we are having a live masterclass in which I'm going to tell you how to actually scale after this Q4 during 2025. So if you want to join, there's a link in the description and you can actually win $100. So if I were you, I would actually join this masterclass. I'm also going to share a couple of products that did really good for me this last year, because remember, you're going to need to be able to, not be able, but you are going to need to maintain your business after Q4. It's great that you make a great Q4, but now you need to reinvest your money. So I'm going to share a shit ton of stuff during that live call. So if I were you, I would join. You can sign up, opt in. The link is below. All right. So the mistake that I made, it's a really dumb mistake. And you might actually make the exact same mistake when you find a really good product and you're excited, and because it's mainly going to be because of the fear of missing out, right? So you should have a clear protocol that you actually follow whenever you find a great lead, right? You should actually check if you are ungated for this product, and you should check even for products that you sold in the past. And with this product, it's actually the case for me. So there's a product that I bought, like, to be honest, I could return it. I'm probably not going to do it, but I bought a couple of units. So I have some of my inventory that actually is stuck, that is frozen. Not frozen, I could literally return it and actually spend that money or exchange it, whatever. But yeah, I bought an ASIN that is selling super fast. I'm super mad because, like, I could sell out of the inventory that I have in one day and make a shit ton of money out of that. However, I'm stuck because I'm gated, and it's really hard right now with Amazon to actually get approval. The craziest thing is that I was gated for 2 brands for the same ASIN. I got the approval for the first one after submitting like more than 20 times, maybe not, like in between 15 to 20 times. The craziest thing is that I actually received emails, answer from Amazon saying that they were not approving retail receipt or order confirmation, and they actually accepted one right after sending this email, right? So you should never actually believe what Amazon is telling you. It doesn't matter what they are actually telling you, keep resubmitting. But yeah, so this is a big mistake that I made. And if you actually get excited when you see a lead and you actually go deep without even actually looking if you can actually sell the ASIN, you might run into some trouble just like I did, right? So do not make the same mistake as me. Actually check your stuff, all right? And I know that I'm stumbling on my words because I'm actually tired. I'm running all around the place to pick up shit and FBM the stuff same day. So I'm sorry, all right? But yeah, do not make this mistake. Always make sure that you check if you can actually sell a product or not. Always make sure that the product that the price that SellerAmp is actually giving you is the price at which you're going to be able to sell this product, because I know a lot of you guys are still making this mistake. And make sure that the product is actually moving, right? Do not go deep in stuff that is not going to sell. Right now, like, you can literally pick up stuff and sell it the same day, right? So this is what I would actually focus on, especially if you do not have a lot of money, even more if you do not have a lot of money. But right now, you know, it's the best time of the year. Take full advantage of that, make a lot of money, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.